Professor Angelov, I'm very happy to welcome you in person in Sofia University. You have been a member of the advisory board and also supervising, considering and evaluating our project under the big project under the National Academy supporting research universities. Sofia University is the biggest research university in this country, in Bulgaria, and we are very, very happy that we have a member of the advisory board looking at our project from probably the top university in the world, from Harvard University, Boston University. The project is just finished. Our main topic of this specific project under the research project has been European values and social challenges. You have provided at least 2 evaluations of what we have done. Can you just share some of your impressions and evaluation conclusions now for our audience?
I was pleased to be a member of the advisory board of the Summit project for the last 3 years. And I was particularly pleased to be evaluating this strand of European values and social challenges, which is one of the largest research groups from the point of view of the diversity of the fields which are represented: law, European studies, political science, and the achievements can be substantial. They can be measured in terms of publications, which for me is always one of the most important outcomes from these projects. There have been several entities, collective printed volumes resulting from conferences which were held at Sofia University in the field of education and comparative study of PhD dissertations, in the field of constitutional law, approaches to constitutional law, and in the field of studying the political and social situation in Bulgaria in the last couple of years. So I myself have learned and discovered a lot from being the evaluator, and as I said, I'm very pleased to have been part of this summit and this particular project.
So thank you very much for your high appreciation of our work, which is really one of the most diversified group under this big project. But it's also very interesting if you can present yourself as what is your field of studies, research, what are your obligations in the University of Harvard.
Yes, so my field is in fact removed from the 3 fields presented in this project. I'm a historian, and I work in the field of medieval and Byzantine history. My publications touch upon the history of political thought, where there is some overlap with this project. My first book is titled Imperial Ideology and Political Thought in Byzantium in the later centuries of the history of the empire. I have worked also on my biography, translations of texts. I have worked in geography and the reception of the ancient tradition within Byzantine learned culture. And Sofia University, of course, has a long tradition in medieval studies and Byzantine studies.
I also understand that today you have a very important administrative position, or it's Harvard Initiative of elected position in Harvard. Can you also say something about that?
Yes, I'll be chairing the Standing Committee of Medieval Studies, which is a special department, interdisciplinary department, which unites faculty from across the university and from across schools, in fact, in the field of late antique, medieval, early modern studies, and I look forward to holding this position for the next couple of years.
Okay, thank you very much. We also look forward to the continuation
you. And let me say again that it has been a real discovery for me being part of this project for the last years. So I look forward to any continuation.
Thank you very much.